Good morning, history makers. You know why I call you history makers instead of kindergartners? Is because you are history makers. There's no, there's never been a time in Grand Forks, North Dakota that the Grand Forks kids have gone to school on the internet. You are history makers, and today is April 1st. Here's our new song. Let me clear my throat. It goes like this. Sing a song for April, April. April is the 4th month, and spring is here as well. Days are getting warmer, the flowers start to sprout. April, that's what April's all about. April. Maybe I'll work on that. I'll keep moving though. All right. Oh goodness. I'm going to move myself over here. I'll go right by this flower. I'm a flower. All right. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. Oh, look how cute. It's a watering can. Did you know they say April showers brings May flowers? I hope that doesn't mean we're going to get a lot of rain this month. But maybe if we do, it'll clean off the lawns and we'll have a really beautiful spring. All right, let's move on. Hey, let's do the days of the week. Are you ready? What is today? I already said it. Today is Wednesday. What was yesterday? What was the day that came before Wednesday? You're right, Tuesday. And what will it be tomorrow? Let me think. If today is Wednesday, that makes it Thursday. It'll be Thursday tomorrow. All right, let me put a fun little number in there. What if I pick the number 39? Now we have to think about what number comes before 39 and what number comes after 39. Let's see. 39. What number comes before 39? Well, you're right. 38. There we go. And what number comes after 39? You're right. 40. Look at that. We are so smart. All right, let's move on. Oh, the code date. Oh, I'm excited. You know, I have it in brown, but today I'm going to do blue. I'll do purple. Purple will be pretty on here. Did you know that April is the 4th month? And because it's the 4th month, I'm going to put a 4 here. And today is the first day of April. And then I put the number 20 because it means 2020, the year that we're in. 4 stands for April. 1 stands for, we've only had one day of April. And then the 20 stands for 2020. Oh, tally marks are going to be so easy. Oh my goodness. Get your hand ready. Here we go. We're going to be done fast. Go. 1. That's it. 1 tally because we've had one day in April. Just 1. Well, what is the temperature like today? Well, let me see. Hold on. It looks like it's 36 degrees out and it's cloudy. All right, boys and girls, 36 degrees and cloudy. That's how we're starting our April. All right, let's count by tens. Let's start at 0. Ready? 10, 20, 30. Then we could count by fives. 30, 35, and then count by ones. 36. What color are we going to color today? All right, you're right. It's a brand new one. But guess what? April is starting out with blue. Do 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 do. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Do 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 do. So April is blue too. Wonder if it'll stay blue. I'm waiting for our first green day. That means that it'll be in the 40s or 50s. Kind of like that. It's kind of nice. All right, it said it was cloudy today. I think I have a cloudy. There we go. A cloudy for today. So today, kind of nice temperature, kind of cloudy. Guess whose birthday it is today? Today, I'm going to move this over. Today is Josiah's 11th birthday. My baby is 11 years old. Hofta. So, feel free to send him a happy birthday message. I will play it for him. Yes, he's 11. I can't believe it. Anyone lose a tooth? Okay, I haven't heard anything. I haven't lost any teeth. So, okay, I'm going to move on. Who is this little cute cutie? Here is our friend Tobias. I love this picture of him because he looks like he's ready to tell a joke. Well, he's got the joke of the day. And remember, if you want to send me a joke, I'll put it on our calendar. Okay, Tobias, take the joke away. It's really funny. Here we go.
Now do it. Where did the spaghetti and sauce go to dance? The meatball.
Oh, Tobias, I miss you. Thank you for bringing that smile. And remember, where did the spaghetti and the sauce go to dance? To the meatball. Ba-dum-bum. Hey, good job, Tobias. All right, boys and girls, have a wonderful day. Don't forget to check out Seesaw today. I'm putting on a reading lesson. I am putting on story time with Jossie as a puppeteer, or Christopher Cub, I should say. And Mrs. Mattice is going to teach you math today. So it's going to be an awesome day, and I can't wait to see everybody on Seesaw today. And don't forget to take attendance. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.